Sitting here waiting for an appointment. My first one didn't run as long as I thought, so I had some time. I thought I'd shoot a quick video about septic system services. They should be pumped out about every 2 to 3 years if you have a standard system. There are some more complex systems that require annual maintenance. But understand that you're likely using your system far more than it was ever really intended or has been used in the past, since you're staying home and everybody's there and kind of trapped. So if you have never had your septic system serviced, you're way overdue. If you don't remember the last time you had it serviced, you're overdue. And if it's been serviced in the last 2 to 3 years, it's probably a good idea to get it serviced sooner than later. I would say that at this point in time, most people should be getting their septic system serviced within the next 6 to 12 months. And that's if you know when it was done last. And it's been less than 3 years. But give the thing a break and give it some love, and it'll try to give you less trouble. Hope you're all well and safe, and we'll see you soon.